Alright, well today we are going to put the rims on the truck, but the truck hasn't been started in 2 weeks, so let's hope it starts. It probably will start. It's going to be a really good cold start because it's been, what, negative something the whole week. It's been freezing, it's been snowing, it's been terrible. But, yeah, we got to do that. But, we got to put some brake lines on there. Brake lines are out, what, a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. So, that's why it's been sitting. So, yeah, we're going to do that. So let's go get this cold start. We are going to start this pickup. If you can see, it's been sitting. So let's hope it starts. Woo! Yeah! Okay, well we're gonna unloosen these. That should do it. Okay, this. Well, we don't have a lug nut there. I don't know why. I already got the jack under there, but not lifted. I put a stopper on the back wheel. Tire off. There we go. That's on. There we go. That was a struggle for some reason. Alright, there you go. That looks sick.